Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can export your videos in Premiere Pro. So let's just say we've got our project finished here and we're finally ready to export it. How do we go about doing that? So to start with, you just want to look in the top left and you can see import, edit and export. Now we just want to click on export and here we can see all these settings. Now if you don't really know what these settings mean, they can be a bit overwhelming, but luckily there's presets here which will help you out a lot. As you can see, this one was already selected. This is one that I've actually made with the highest quality. And I've actually made a video on this also. So check out my channel if you want to find out exactly what's in this preset. What I'd recommend if you're just getting started and you're not too fussed about having amazing quality just yet, you just want to export it and have your video ready to show your friends, whatever. What you can do is you can click on this preset here and you can scroll down and select whatever one you need. Say if you're uploading to YouTube, you can just do 1080p if you wanted. That's like the standard normal quality. Or you can go down here to more presets and it will actually show you loads more. So you can see 8K here. You've got all sorts of different files and frame sizes. So you could easily find what suits you best. You can even type in YouTube and there is ones already made for YouTube. These 5 here are preset into the thing. These 2 I've made myself. So that's why it says custom preset here. But if you just wanted a 1080p YouTube video exported, you could just select this and these will be pretty good settings. And they'll be good enough to get started and show you a rough copy. So once you've chosen your preset, what you want to do is you want to select the location of where you want the file to go. In my case, this is where the project file is, so I'm just going to keep it here. And you can also change the file name just to keep it more organized. So I'm just going to call this 1, for example. Now, if you do know how to change the export settings yourself, you can drop down all these and mess around with them and tailor it to exactly what you need. But if you're not too fast, you can do that. Make sure this range is set to entire source if you want your entire video exported. You can either click export or send to media encoder. Now what media encoder does is basically lets it render in the background so you can carry on with your project while it's rendering. Because otherwise if you click export, it will come up with a little progress bar and you won't be able to do anything in Premiere Pro until that's done. So I hope you found this video helpful and I hope you managed to export your video successfully in Premiere Pro. If you did, please comment down below that this video helped you and like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.